Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you the Mr. Beast gift shop app available in which country. So let's get started. So here I will just tell you like you are eligible or not in your country. You will get the gift or the contest or not. So here the contest is open for only for the consumers who are legally the residents of US, Australia, Canada, or metropolitan France, Germany, Malaysia, Mexico, Netherlands, Saudi Arabia, Spain, Turkey, United Kingdom, and you should be at least 18 years old legally in your state, okay, of your majority in the country or the state, okay. So by this way, you can just enter into the contest and you can win the gift. And if you have any question, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.